Opera composers would sometimes hire a group of people, and the people can watch both of their rivals' performance. So they were hired not only to watch their performance, and so choice A and F, which mean watching is absurd, and neutral as correct answer for the blank one. So we can eliminate choice A and choice F. Moreover, the blank would be filled with something means cheer only if the blank would be followed by and so the blank will be fit by choices mean opposite to cheer. Choice B and C mean the same, and choice D and E mean the opposite of cheering. So the correct answers are Catcall and Hector, given us choice D and choice E. And so we can eliminate choice B and choice C, because choice D and E mean a shrill whistle or shout of disapproval, typically one made at a public meeting or performance according to the prediction with. So the correct answers are choice D and choice E.